Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods to laptop. So guys, at first go to your Bluetooth. Now click on add a Bluetooth device. Now click on add Bluetooth or other device. Now select Bluetooth. And here comes your device name. And you just need to click on the device name. So guys, as you can see, your device is now connected to your AirPod. So that's it, and that's how you can connect AirPods to laptop very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.